guys, welcome back to my channel. Watch Calvin review Jamaican KFC. Go ahead.
So is this one the spicy one?
Yeah, that's the spicy.
It's hot though, boy. Yeah, it tastes good.
What you rate it out of? You gotta rate it.
Let me.
That's the original.
Nah, that's the spicy one.
Mm.
You can definitely tell the seasoning. And if I would have got it like, you know, when it was fresh out, it's gonna hit. It already hitting right now. I'm tearing this thing up.
Yeah.
I haven't even tried the barbecue yet.
Yeah, our barbecue is different. Did you try the original yet?
Yeah, I tried the original. Was the first one.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Hot. That's one good. That's some good barbecue.
You like the barbecue sauce is good, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a different.
I don't know why they don't sell this in America.
Cause y'all don't got the proper seasonings. It's all about the spices that we use.
Mm-hmm. This is real good. But you know, I ate it in one bite.
Yeah, barbecue is always good.
Mm-hmm.
There should be like a wing in there, a flat wing. See if you see it.
Mm-hmm.
Try it next. That boy tearing up the barbecue.
You know when it's good when it got the seasoning on the meat, not just on the skin.
The skin, right? Yep. It's well marinated, babe. Come on now. Yeah. That's that wing right there. Spicy too.
Yeah, it definitely hit different. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. Getting hot, boy. It's burning my mouth. Yeah, that's good, babe. You gonna have to go to Jamaica and get like some fresh ones for real.
What you rate it? Rate it.
Well, I would say it's a 10. We got KFC down the road. Terrible.
Boy, bye.
We got all these chicken spots around the road, around the way, and they all terrible.
You got some good fried chicken right here.
I'm gonna be boned. Yeah, everything. I'm gonna record you eating pho.
Oh, most definitely. Because what? Oh.